Hi everyone, this is my 2003 Volkswagen Beetle made in Mexico. I thought I'd do a video to show a little bit of more detail. His name is Stan and he is all original paint, original parts, and actually is in exceptional condition. Stan was bought in the United States from someone who brought him up from Mexico, and then he was then sold to someone in Ontario, and that's who I bought him from. Original hubcaps. This is the device that prevents him from being stolen. It deactivates. I don't have the key any longer. He has a flat windshield, no antenna because sadly I don't have a radio for him. Taking a little bit closer look at the engine. He does have an air filter. It is air cooled and fuel injection engine. I am able to hook it up to a computer system for diagnostics. Very clean. His gas tank. There's the Meco in Mexico, made in Mexico. There's his VIN number. You'll notice that it is shorter than those vehicles that are made in the United States or Canada. Very clean inside, no speakers on the doors. My lovely seat covers. Exceptionally clean and in great shape. Back seat does have seat belts. I think they're tucked in underneath there. There they are. And of course, under the back seat is where you find the battery. There it is. And on the other side, I have the jack and some other tools that are unique. Love the teardrop windows that push out. You get a ton of air when you're going along because of course there's no air conditioning, and you just push those out. To open up the trunk, that little lever in the glove box. And then you'll notice that the spare tire is upright, but the windshield wiper fluid is on the side. The older ones had a pump that used the air from the tires. That over there, we did put some tape on it. It is supposed to be the charcoal filter, although it came empty. I guess they don't need the filter in Mexico. And behind here we have all the wires and fuses and all that. No radio, but there is a spot for me to be able to put one in, and I have purchased one, so I'll include that in a later video. Lots of room up front. The fire extinguisher was standard included in this vehicle. I'll see if I can lift up here for you to see the floor. Again, in great shape. And of course, standard. There's the fire extinguisher again. And the dash, there's my spot for my radio. And you'll notice that the odometer is in kilometers. And just the last shot of 2 keys. Of course, 1 key for ignition and 1 key to get into the door. So thank you so much for